Starting a business is the fastest way to stay broke. I know that sounds backwards, but stick with me because what I'm about to show you will change how you think about building wealth forever. We've all heard those legendary stories about college dropouts starting billion-dollar companies from their bedrooms, right? Here's the harsh reality. For every overnight success story, there are tens of thousands of people who tried the same approach and ended up financially destroyed, living back with their parents. I'm not here to crush your entrepreneurial dreams, but I am here to show you the difference between building sustainable wealth and falling into common traps. The online business space is filled with promises of quick returns and overnight success stories. What you'll get here is different. The truth about building wealth through proven strategic approaches that actually work long-term. But here's what most success stories leave out. Jumping straight into starting businesses without proper preparation is a recipe for failure. According to statistics, about half of all new businesses don't make it past the 5-year mark, often leaving founders worse off financially than when they started. Drop an emoji in the comments if you've ever been tempted by a business opportunity that seemed too good to be true. So, what should you actually do to build wealth? Here are the 3 crucial steps that separate people who build real wealth from those who chase shiny objects. Step 1. Find your natural talents. Follow your passion can be misleading financial advice. Here's a common scenario. Someone decides, I'm passionate about painting, so I'll start an art business. 2 years and $12,000 later, they realize passion doesn't automatically mean people will pay for it. Instead, identify natural talents that have market demand. Focus on skills companies desperately need: copywriting, digital marketing, sales, data analysis, problem solving. What comes naturally to you? What do people consistently compliment you on? Drop that skill in the comments below. Step 2. Learn through work and test small. Whether you're working part-time, doing internships, or retail, treat every day like a masterclass in business skills. When dealing with difficult customers, you're learning conflict resolution. Managing multiple tasks develops project management skills. But here's the key. Before betting everything on one idea, test small. Instead of I'm quitting school to launch my clothing brand, try selling 10 t-shirts first. Instead of I'm starting a restaurant, try catering one small event. Use dropshipping or pre-orders to test without large upfront costs. Smart entrepreneurs test small and scale what works. Step 3. Build your network and observe everything. Deals aren't made with logos, they're made with people. We choose to work with those we know, trust, and feel a connection to, and the biggest opportunities always grow from strong relationships. Start observing every business around you like a detective. Why does that coffee shop have lines while the one across the street is empty? Why did that restaurant close after 6 months? Keep records of problems and solutions. This knowledge becomes incredibly valuable for your future ventures. Here's the reality about building wealth. The people making sustainable money aren't necessarily the ones with flashy businesses or large social media followings. They're the ones who did the foundational work first. They built skills, saved money, tested ideas, and created solid foundations before taking major risks. Most successful entrepreneurs didn't succeed overnight. They built success through persistence, learning from failures, and smart decision-making. If this strategic approach makes sense, hit that like button. It tells me you want practical content about building wealth through proven methods. Now, are you willing to spend 2 to 3 years building a foundation for 20 to 30 years of financial freedom? Or do you want to keep looking for shortcuts that rarely lead to lasting success? What's the one business idea that keeps coming back to your mind? Drop it in the comments and tell me where you are in the process. Want more practical advice about building wealth? In my next video, don't forget to subscribe for more content about achieving genuine financial freedom through proven approaches.